It's an interesting Monday here in Parliament. While just a few minutes ago we were able to witness a press conference that had been called by 3 members of Parliament from the Rift Valley, and this included Nelson Koech, the Senator for Nandi, Samson Cherargei, and the MP for that is Caleb Kositany. And all these members of Parliament in their press conference were very categorical about the happenings of the weekend. You'll remember since Friday there has been a lot of political activity, and this actually dates back all the way to when there was a Bomas meeting when the BBI report was being unveiled to the public, and this activity has actually been there since when Matiang'i went into Kirinyaga. And these members of Parliament were here today, and a tough talking Matiang'i was actually on the verge where he actually insisted that he not only receives commands from the Chief of Defence Forces. And at that particular time, that statement has not gone very well with those who are very close to the Deputy President, including the Deputy President himself, who actually said that state officers should just remain in their offices and work on that. And today's press conference was just to buttress that. The 3 members of Parliament who called this press conference actually said that Matiang'i does not have the mettle to match up to Deputy President William Ruto, and he should no longer, or he should desist about talking like he has been talking. You remember Matiang'i, as I have rightly said, was of the opinion that he only receives commands from President Uhuru Kenyatta. So that, according to these members of Parliament, should not have come out of Matiang'i. I remember even in that press conference, which was aired live on NTV, Nelson Koech said that Matiang'i, or likened Matiang'i to somebody who's being fattened to be sacrificed at the altar. And these are such statements that they have said that he is not the first person to occupy that office, and the holders of that office before him have actually suffered the same fate. So it was a connotation, or they are saying that it is time that Matiang'i knew that his rightful place. The other statement actually is with regards to a statement that, or a story that NTV aired yesterday with regards to Matiang'i probably being favored by President Uhuru Kenyatta and opposition leader Raila Odinga with regards to 2022. And they were of the opinion that if he really wanted to become the president of this country, then he should leave his office and go out there and face the deputy president in the campaigns. So they were a bit critical of Matiang'i in that press conference, and we'll be giving you more. Another matter that they really touched on as I finish is the fact that they think that the Speaker of the National Assembly, Justin Muturi, was misquoted in the Daily Nation, whereby he said that that report is not going to come to Parliament. Their thinking is that yes, it is true that it is not going to come to Parliament in its current form, but they are calling for it to be transformed into a bill. And if it is transformed into a bill, then there will be no other option other than to bring it in the House. So we are also expecting to talk to Speaker Muturi, and if we do find that opportunity, we'll be giving you a comprehensive story later in the day with regards to the politics about 2022 and the BBI. Back to you in studio.